I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to make a Mexican chicken. So what we have here is some chicken legs, a glass of wine, some chilies, some salt, some garlic, some paprika, and my favorite machine. Okay, so firstly I'm going to take some chilies. I like 3 different colors, so I picked my favorites. Just literally chop the top off. I don't mind the seeds, I like things hot. So let's get brave, put them in. Pop in some garlic. I like quite a bit of garlic, so let's just go ahead there. Yeah, no vampires tonight. And some salt. I'll just throw them in here. That way it all mixes well. Quite a bit of salt. I like my salt. And then close the machine. Right, make sure it's sealed well. And then that should be fine. It doesn't need to be too smooth. Right. There you have it. Yep, Nikita. Now, I'm going to spoon this into here before I start. Right, now I'm going to add olive oil, which makes things easier to mix around quite a bit. Beans is also getting involved. And then some wine. And I like to leave the paprika sprinkled on top in the beginning, because that helps to crisp the legs and give them a blackened color. So that's that for now. We'll mix it later on. That's going to go straight in the oven at about 180 degrees, and then if it needs be, we turn it up to 200. Hi, welcome back. Okay, now the chicken's been in here for about 45 minutes. I'm going to get it out. There you have it. So I don't like to turn the chickens over. The legs must stay in one position. Okay, so everyone, that's on my Mexican chicken. Hope you'll enjoy that, and it's pretty simple to make and quite delicious. Happy Halloween!